This video deals with the display properties of plots. When plots are created, they appear both in the view and as a tree item in the feature tree, which contains all the curves in the plot. To configure the looks of a given plot, select it in the feature tree. The bottom pane of the workspace shows the current properties of the plot and invites you to modify them. Use the title text box to enter the title of your plot. You can also change the default axis titles. Show or hide the curve legend by toggling the checkbox. When Show Marker Line is checked, a vertical line is drawn in the plot at the current state. If an animation is running, the marker line will indicate where the current frame of the animation is on the plot. A slider lets you configure the opacity of the plot overlay window. The last two text boxes allow to precisely specify the width and height of the same window. Changes to properties, of course, apply to the plot selected in the feature tree. Note that the visibility of a plot is either controlled in the Properties pane by double-clicking on it in the tree, by clicking on the eye icon at its left, or finally through a right-click on the tree item. This is not shown here, but if you wish to configure a specific curve of the plot, simply select it in the feature tree and specify your preferred curve title and color.